Hey girls, so we have gone through our shower routine, our post-shower routine, and I've even given you a full walkthrough. Now the real question is, where the heck are we keeping all these products? Well, that's a good question, and I'm gonna tell you. So for me, I'm a little OCD, a little OCD. So my countertops have to be clean and pristine, okay? Okay. If you wanted to, not saying you should, if you wanted to, you could lick off of my countertops right now in my bathroom because there is nothing on them. Nathaniel, there's nothing but decor, a candle, some hand soap, some hand lotion. That's it. Listen, if I had stuff on my counter, I wouldn't be able to do that. Okay? So I want to show you how I am storing all of my products to ensure that my countertop stays clean and pristine so I can stay sane in the membrane. Okay. And if having product on your counter don't bother you, then don't switch it up, babe. Do not switch it up. Don't listen to me. Do not listen to me, okay? Because we all live different lifestyles. Ain't no man, ain't no kids, ain't no pets in here. It is clean and pristine, and that is the way that I would like to keep it. Amen. Amen. Okay? So I'm going to show you how I'm keeping all of my products organized and out the way, okay? Okay, girls, so this is what my everyday body care product storage looks like. It goes directly under my sink. It is super, super organized. It has everything I need for everyday use. So I want to kind of break this down for you because there are kind of multiple components to this. So these little containers do come off of the top of each one. So you can just pull these drawers out as you need them, which is very, very convenient. You can put it on your countertop as you get ready, or you can just leave them in there and just pull as you need to as well. And then this little container holds all of my razor blades for my Flamingo razor because again, Flamingo is one of the best razors I have ever used, and you can actually buy the little cartridge replacements, which I do because I change mine out pretty often. But this also, I have tons of these in my drawers. Like I am an OCD girly. A little that'll never hurt anybody, okay? Like I have to keep everything organized. I have to, okay? And so some of my drawer organization looks like this as well. So I shared my oral hygiene routine, and this is what one of my little panels look like. So every single day I'm going through this. Like this is my floss, my toothpaste, my deodorant, my lip gloss, my retainer, my little razor blade. Cause you know, sometimes you get it. Yeah, we gotta get rid of that, girl, because that's not cute. That is not cute. So yeah, I have these throughout all of my drawers. Also in that same drawer, I have the rest of my morning skincare routine and nighttime skincare routine. Like I have to keep things organized because it just itches something in my brain. And of course we have to have shower organization too. So I'm just gonna pull back the curtain a little bit so you can see. This is what my shower organization looks like. It's just these little hooks, and they actually have the side hooks as well where I keep my razor, my exfoliating gloves, and also my African sponge. And there's also a little one for my soap as well. So everything stays pretty organized. I don't really have to worry about anything being out of place because I do have these. And when I tell you I have multiple of these for everything, for hair, hold on, let me show you. Because I know some of y'all are traumatized from these girls coming on the internet and lying, but if I'm lying, I'm lying. The Lord don't allow me to do that. So here you go. This is one of my hair organizations. I have multiple of these literally all throughout my bathroom because I'm a little ussada. So like this is all of my scalp treatments, my hair wash day, and I'll show you my makeup organization too. Hold please. This is what my makeup organization looks like. Of course, I'm not bringing it all out, but I do have tons of these. This is just for my face. These are face-based products like my concealers, my foundations. The next one is blushes and primers and I believe highlighters and all that jazz. So I do categories for literally everything, whether it's hair, whether it's medicine. I have organization in every part of my bathroom. Like it looks like a container store in here, truly. And I love that for me. Maybe your brain works like that too, and I love that for us. All right, girl, I hope that was helpful in helping to answer where we're keeping all these products and how we're organizing them, because I do want your counter to be clean and pristine if that's what you want for yourself. Only if that's what you want for yourself, because your house, your rules. Amen. Amen. And of course, I could not end this video without answering all the questions that I know you're going to ask. My glasses are prescription and they are not sold anymore, but I do have an exact dupe linked in my Amazon store. And this robe is a nice robe, baby. It's linked already too. Just going over there to Amazon and it's all there, okay? It will be under, what I'm gonna call this? Body care organization, bathroom organization. It might be under bathroom organization. That make a little bit more sense. So go on ahead over there to Amazon and it's all there. I promise you, hand to the Bible. And my necklaces are from Ana Luisa. They are always linked in my LTK shop, pinned to the top. All of this can be found in my bio. Go to my bio. It is all there. It is very organized for you. I try to make it as easy as possible for the girls. Okay? Okay. I love you. Goodbye.